Good morning to all dear students. Welcome back to online class. In this video we will discuss about linear equation. First let us see what is definition of linear equation. For this you already familiar with algebraic expression. What are algebraic expression? Suppose here is one tree. On this tree, some birds are sitting. Suppose here are 4 birds are sitting. Why more birds came here and sat on that tree? How many birds are there? Why more birds? You will say there are 4 plus y birds. This relation is known as algebraic expression. And same relation, it comes with equality symbol, that is known as equation. It means question is an algebraic expression with equality. This is the definition. You can make any expression x plus 2 equal to 5, y plus 7 equal to 9. Like this, there are more terms maybe. So these are known as equation, and these equation with equality symbol having one power in x and y here. Here y have one power and x also have one power. So this type of equation is known as linear equation. Understood? Now we will learn more about linear equation. What is standard form of linear equation? What is solution of linear equation? Law of equality, rule of transposition. These are some topics related to linear equation. First, what is standard form of linear equation? Its standard form is ax plus b equal to cx plus d. This is a standard form of linear equation. In this, x is known as variable. You already studied in previous chapter. A, B, C and D, these terms are constant terms. So, x variable and A, B, C and D are constant. And this type of equation is known as linear equation. This is a standard form. Next, solution of linear equation. I want to tell you, if in equation, how many powers in variable is there? Means x plus 2 equal to 5. You have to see variable. In variable there is only one power. It means that equation will contain only one solution. And solution of this equation is known as root also. So, solution of root of linear equation is only one. You can say linear equation has one root. Next, law of equality. If there is any linear equation, suppose this one, in this equation, you can add same quantity both sides. Here, x plus 2 equal to 5. This work as a scale. In a scale, if you keep both equal quantity both sides, that will be in balance situation only. So here also, in this equation, x plus 2 equal to 5. If you are adding same quantity both sides, it will be equal. If you are subtracting same quantity both sides, in that case also this equation has equal value. And if you are multiplying same quantity, that equation will not change. And similarly, you can divide by same quantity both sides. So this is known as law of equality. Means any linear equation can be added, subtracted, multiplied or divided by same quantity, both sides. Rule of transposition. This is important rule to solve any linear equation. In transposition rule, you have to keep variable one side of equal sign and constant other side of equal sign. But there are some precautions. If you are carrying any quantity from left to right side and that quantity has plus side, if you are that will go right side, its sign will change. Means plus, if you are going to right side, it will be minus. If there is minus symbol and it is going to right side, it will be plus. And if there is multiplication symbol and if it is going to right side, it will be divide. And just opposite of this, if here is division symbol and it is going to right side, it will be multiplied. Understood? So like this, you can solve any linear equation with the help of rule of transposition or law of equality. Understood? So, okay, watch the video carefully and understand about the topic. Thank you.